This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Melton, Victoria, 3337. We have a corridor unit, and the driveway is just here. You park your car here, and the unit is just here. The size of this unit is 4 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high. It's Melton again, Victoria, 3337. Okay. This unit is rather messy. Oh, you got two ways of coming in. The other entrance is there. Okay, we got a fridge here. Can't tell you whether there's a cushion or not. Okay, it's a two-seater. There's also a single-seater, and this is a home-like whippersnipper. Single mattress. Now, whether all the drawers are here or not, no idea. Okay. Now we got a Whirlpool two-door fridge. Most of the trays and the shelvings are out of the fridge, and I'm going to show you I'm going to hold my breath and show you the inside of the fridge. Okay, you could do with a good clean. And here is a washing machine. It's a Simpson top loader. I can't open it because some stuff is sitting on it. And there is a Harvey Norman couch here. It's a total of, I think, 5-seater. So it's 3. Probably could be a 6-seater. It's really messy inside. There's a buffet. Again, I can't tell you where are the rest of the drawers, or whether the drawers are in or not. And these are the base of the bed. Some pop-up tent, clothing, baby stuff. Okay, and there is probably a coffee table. It's most likely a marble, but one of the legs is came off. Whether the leg is there or not, no idea. And we got a lot of scents or smells. A whole bag of it here. Whole box of it. There is another box as well. Remember, this unit is very messy. One sold everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you clear the unit, the manager here will refund you back the $250 cash only deposit. Nothing is tested, and whether it's complete or not, no idea. There's no guarantee on any of the products as well. Once again, this is in Melton, Victoria, 3337. Thank you for watching.